Oh, hi. Well, I didn't see you there, but welcome to the Switchback Labs. Let's talk trucks. So let's talk about size, because size matters. If you're looking to do some cruising around, tight turns on a small board, a small truck, 150 millimeters maybe, something like that will work for your purposes. Size up to a black 10-incher, and you're ready to go downhill. Cruise around, some higher speeds, wider stance, more stability. Let's do that. You want to go super fast. Size up to 195, Silver Magnum. You're ready to hit top speed. Hit them slides, wide stance, longboard. You're ready to go. So size matters in your board. Match the width of your truck to the width of your board, and you'll be ready to go.
Alright guys, shh, quiet on set. If you have a narrow board, put narrow trucks on it. Most trucks are around 50 degrees. The degree that the hanger sits at due to the base plate. 50 degrees is the average angle for trucks. That's this angle, the angle that the hangers sit at. That does pretty good for most applications. If you want to go really fast, drop it down to 44 degrees. If you want to go really get a lot of turn out of your lean, change it up. 55, that doesn't exist. Can't do it. So stick with 50. I'm drunk. You want to go fast? You do like a 35 degree base plate. This random base plate, 35 degrees, no turn for the lean. That means you can go super fast, lean a bit, get some wobbles, and not kill yourself. Now, say you're not going 100 miles an hour, say you're going 25. A 50 degree plate allows you to kick that board out at a slower speed. Slower speed, higher degree. As long as you want to turn. You don't want to turn at all, fucking get a 0. Velobs give you an option for a 0 degree plate. You won't turn at all. Yay, you go in a straight line forever. Not every truck manufacturer offers different base plates. But when they do, Zap prime. An easy alternative to getting a different base plate is to get a riser. An angled riser will adjust the ride angle of your trucks. This one here, 5 degrees. You can change a 35 to a 40, a 40 to a 45, a 45 to a 50. Easy. The only issue is it raises your ride height by like 1/4 of an inch. This gives you tons of options. Increase, decrease, stack them, make them rise you by a 1/2 inch. Options with risers. Take advantage, why not? They're cheap. Short of changing your base plates, changing your risers, there's another option. It's flipping your hangers. This is an option on many trucks. What you have to do, take your hanger off, flip it, and all of a sudden, you have a new truck. New angles, new geometry, and you're set up for a new application. We just went from free ride to downhill in like 10 seconds. It has a larger recess on this backside, smaller on the front. What we've done is change the angle by like 5 degrees in 10 seconds. One of the last things to consider in your truck options is your color. Some companies make pretty colors, some don't. If you're interested in color coordinating your board, Paris, Bear, Caliber, they all make color options to make it specific to your board. Beyond that, precision trucks. Precision trucks, if you don't know about them, don't worry about them. They're beyond you. It doesn't matter. They are a fraction. They're so minusculely different than your average cast truck. If you don't know about them already, don't worry about them. They're the same thing. In fact, some people say they're worse. Keep that between you and me. Alright, great. We'll move on to something else later. For now, thank you for joining me in the Switchback Labs, and I'll catch you later. Peace. This one, I'm feeling put some fine grip on it. Let's see what we can do. This one, I feel like I'm putting some fine grip on it. Let's see what we can do. Fine grip, baby. Hammer grip. Nope.
Okay, wait, let me reset.
So, let's ignore those precision trucks for now. Unless you're a great person. Then we can talk about them later. Give us a call. 250-756-7948.